Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our Chevy Suburban four-wheel drive. Come out of, where did I get it? Nebraska, I believe I got it from. Maybe it was Iowa. One of the two, Iowa, Nebraska. I can't remember right now. But project, runs, drives. Somebody did a kind of a wild restoration years ago, and you can see the paint coming off, and they didn't do a very good job. But so this just one you can do whatever you want with. Doesn't have the original seats in it, and then they put them look like that might be the original seat because the mounting looks like it's original. Then they put one way in the back. So automatic 350. I think he said it was 383, but I'm just going to call it a small block 350. But then bucket seats do sit pretty good. Got kind of some nice door panels, so you can kind of go from where you want on it. These were just 3 doors from the factory. But as far as rust, not a ton of it. And a little bubbling or paint coming off there. The two way in the rear quarters is where you see the rust right there. Of course, there's some damage there, and they had some mud in there. Got the barn doors in the back. There you can see he's got that extra seat bolted in there. But there you can see where the spare tire was, crud got in there and made it rust. Yeah, not really on the corridor back there, it's just underneath. There is some bubbling. And then right here is a worse spot out on the exterior. Some more bubbling there. So this door does not open. Must need a door handle, a latch or something. So you don't see a lot of these. Oh, and this one has the tag. I'll see. Let's see here. Yeah, I believe that is the right one too. We'll double check it though. Maybe a different one, but I'll double check with it. Ben, I have not done that yet, but so good project. Runs, drives, drive the way it is, and work on it as you go. 605-695-7391.